First things first, you will observe one thing. 3 months voice has changed. No, this is not sardi and all. Reason for this vocal change is last time we did this. Best part is we also got a chance to personally meet him. That's like, okay.
Huge fan.
This is like a fan moment. Can I capture you?
Yeah,
I can capture you, right?
Yeah. Can you pinch me? I can't believe it. Thank you so much.
Today morning I was watching his video. Both of us, every day we do that.
We start a day with new music.
Yeah, and even our kid, 2-year-old.
Yeah, she loves you.
She's
2.
She doesn't know how to say March.
She says
she
mom.
can't spell S.
She can't say S, so she says ma.
Amazing guy. That's my dude today. Amazing, awesome feeling. Like Michael Jackson is the king of pop, Mars is the king of deep house. If you're into deep house, you know him. I also mentioned that Nora En Pure is also one of my favorites. She is considered the queen of deep house. I never thought this guy is gonna come to Hyderabad. That was like 3 or 4 kilometers from my house here. And imagine he coming and performing right in front of us. It was a mind blowing. Anyways, once again, ye kush khabri mein, let's start the vlog. What's up guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone's doing great. Don't mind the voice for a couple of days because a lot of shouting yesterday. Literally our throats are gone and even our legs are aching like hell. Pooja and we are planning to soak our legs in warm water for some time. Much required. Okay, by the way, till now I was talking to Charan almost the last 45 minutes. And now Pooja is asking me, what were you talking so much? Because I was talking about the ride next, which is gonna happen in exactly 4 to 5 days. Thank God, finally it's happening. Mental therapy is much needed right now. बहुत हो गया ये flight trip. Now I want some bike ride. Now actually, you remember, right? I'm telling you from a long time I wanted to go for a ride.
Yes.
But that's not happening. There's so many things.
I also told you to go, but you only didn't.
Yeah, she was telling, but you know how the situation was. We were shifting here.
We went to Maldives. There was no time.
अभी बहुत हो गया. Let's hit the roads. I want to see 4-lane highways now. I don't mind seeing it. But the big question, where to go? You tell me where to go. Most of India we've covered. Anywhere we go is going to be a repeat. So we're still thinking where to go. Can you suggest any place?
Northeast.
Northeast?
You have gone less.
We don't have that much time. See, if you go to Northeast, you need 20 days.
Really?
Fir? I was planning somewhere around 5 to 6 days. Actually, I'm also not interested in doing 20 plus days. Maybe once in a year I can do that because it really gets boring after a certain point. Maybe 7 to 8 days of a ride is good. After that, I really get boring. My sister will already punch me that I'm going for a ride. I didn't tell her yet. Actually, we have to toss again, once again. 2 or 3 places are there in mind. One place, if I tell you, you'll go mad.
What is that?
You'll be like, how many times will you do that? For 5 days trip.
Maharashtra. Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar and...
Mahabaleshwar also we've done. Panchgani I'm not so interested. Nothing there.
Lavasa.
Lavasa we've done.
Did
you find it so interesting? So, do you want to repeat Goa more or do you want to repeat Panchgani more?
Kabini is where exactly?
Karnataka. Anyways, did you observe my voice is gone totally?
My vote for Kabini.
You know why? Your voice is fine.
Because I didn't shout more, I danced more, my voice
I
is
shouted
gone.
at the top of my voice.
For me,
Now we are planning to
my lower
soak our legs in hot water
because I'm
and
gone.
salt. We need
The
some
way
foot spa for some time.
She
Otherwise.
was shouting for 2 hours and I was jumping and dancing for 2 hours.
Oh, and by the way, today, finally, after a long time, we are going to Hamara Ghar Malkajgiri. Feels so good. It really feels good. Genuinely, I'm missing my house now. I want to go.
Okay.
After 20 days almost. No, not 20 days. I
What,
think after.
you went recently, no?
But it's been at least 10-15 days, I think. Oh, now, though, definitely I'm missing my home. I really wanted to go. Aisha is talking on the phone.
To her imaginary friend. Okay.
Aisha, where is your phone? Her reaction, her expressions. What are you planning to become in your life?
An actress. She's going to get an Oscar. Oh, she wants to continue talking like that.
Now new word for everything. Okay.
Somewhere with everyone?
Oh yes, I want to take my parents' house and go.
Yeah,
I want to take them for some lunch or dinner for now. I want to even travel with them
I'll
later.
wait some. Abhi we're going now, we'll go out somewhere.
Oh yes, we'll take them out.
I planned well.
Oh, music stopped. Okay, give us 1 minute now. I'm just vlogging.
Also because I think mom was telling me Anaya loves to go out.
Oh yeah.
And like me. So
Obviously, she came from Canada. She can't sit at home. She has
not
to go
for
out.
that.
उसके लिए.
Not about that. Go
Maybe
and
she's
eat
got
out.
some of your genes as well. Maybe she wants to go out.
And mom said she's barbar like me only. Very talkative. They're calling her Junior Pooja. If you don't like it, that's fine.
What nice. Oi! No! What are you doing, dude?
She's doing an advertisement.
Actually,
No, Papa. Nice, don't do that bit.
okay, anyway, I have to pack now. This feels like I'm actually going to my village and all that. Get it. Come on, put it there. Actually, I thought I'll leave some clothes in my old house as well, but I got most of it here because if I want something to wear here and it's not there here, I don't want to go back home all the way and get those clothes. So most of it I got it. So that is the reason I'm packing the suitcase. And you know what? I'll take everything once again and I'll get everything back. Even if it's one day, even if it's 10 days, doesn't matter, I'll take everything. Because after I go, if I don't find anything, I'll go mad head.
First of all, you don't have 1 or 2 t-shirts. You're in 20, 30 t-shirts.
20, 30 will take and go. I'm not going to carry it on my back, right? Let's pack it. Hey! इसके सब कुछ फन हो गया.
I get it.
First Pooja said, "ये bucket is enough for me."
No!
You forgot that my legs are duck feet. They're almost 11 inches. Look at this size. This is a big bucket and still it doesn't fit in. See?
You have whipped. You have
It's
whipped.
hot.
Yeah, salt water hot ही डालो.
Oh, you put salt in it?
It'll release the stress. We were jumping so much yesterday at the Marsh event, so we need this. I told you
yeah.
it's good.
But I wish there was a bigger bucket. Enduk dunkali, enduk deep house boili, enduk egrali, enduk marsh, and why do we need to do all this?
Naku nachindi, that's why. Naku baga nachindi Marsh.
All this is worth it. You know what? There's one more deep house artist coming.
When?
Koralova is coming to Prism.
Oh!
Hyderabad is rocking next level.
She's
Big
crying.
time. हो गया. What are these reactions you're giving? Where did you learn all this? Oh no. Oh no. So that is for lunch. Some amazing looking poha. I hope it tastes amazing as well.
It's actually breakfast food, but Sriman loves poha. So make it.
Actually, it is breakfast food, but then I prefer it for lunch because carbs, you know. And Pooja makes poha really well, so I really like it. Actually, you know, there's a combination in Madhya Pradesh. Poha jalebi.
Yeah, jalebi. Yeah, correct. Poha jalebi.
How do they eat poha and jalebi? Actually, it's a very good combination, you know. You have to try it. I mean, I was surprised once we went to Madhya Pradesh and morning, like breakfast ke liye we asked poha. He gave us jalebi first. I told him we did not order for jalebi. He was like, this is mandatory, we give it. Then I understood, okay, poha jalebi is something. Also, I'm making an omelette for myself because today morning I did not have my omelette. Omelette and poha, I don't know if it's a good combination.
It's
but
a bad combination.
it should work. I'm leaving. Time is 5:40. Just leaving now. Going a long way home. Very important to check the maps because it's really far. Oh my god. 1 hour, 9 minutes it seems. By the way, Pooja wants to buy something. She wants to buy gifts. Lot of gifts. मेरा gift कब देगी?
मैं तेरा gift दूँ.
ये typical dialogues I don't want. I want some physical gifts now. Everyone is like saying this. If I ask my dad I want a gift, he'll say, my love is your biggest gift. My mom will say the same thing. My sis will say, no, my sis gave me a Bose soundbar, so no problem with that. You should also give me a gift soon.
There are so many gifts.
Once upon a time, oh yes, he used to give me a lot of gifts. Abhi bore ho gaya husband. He's not giving me any gifts. Anyway, Pooja wanted to buy some gifts for Anaya. Oh yes, how can we forget? Today we're gonna make Anaya and Naisha meet for the first time. Even my sister is gonna meet Naisha for the first time. Pooja, did you meet Anaya? Oh, you met 1 year birthday. We did it here, right? Anaya ka. That time Pooja met her. But my sister is gonna meet Naisha for the first time. Pretty excited to do this meetup. More importantly, I'm very excited about Naisha and Anaya ka meetup today. So anyways, we're gonna buy some gifts for Anaya. You know, I'm very excited about something else. For going back home, I need to get my hair cut. I didn't want to do my hair cut here around because, you know, you get used to your old barber, right? He knows my hair, he knows my style. So yeah, otherwise I'm looking like a proper monkey right now. As you can see, we're taking a lot of luggage. Don't think we're taking a lot of luggage actually. These are my clothes for a couple of days, 4 or 5 days. We'll be coming back once again because I'm planning this trip. I told you, right? I'm planning for a bike ride.
I need to get back to work.
You need to get back to work, okay? This is not what you're thinking. There's no luggage. These are our blankets. Important right now because Hyderabad is very chilly and we're used to these blankets.
Naishu, to wash your face.
After wearing chappals, he wants to wear the bag.
Naishu, mama will wash your face. Beta, come. No, क्या बेटा मुंह नहीं धोना. अरे? To minutes. Fast.
Chalo, fast. You look fresh and nice. You know, where are we going now? Where are we going? Anyways, voice is still like that. I think it's gonna take at least 3 or 4 days to set the way I was shouting. But for now, it sounds like full bassy. This literally looks like we're going for an international trip once again.
That is because of your big suitcase which you're returning.
Yeah, this has to go home. I'm just returning it. There are only blankets in it. And I look at my entire build-up. A backpack, my laptop, and this. I mean, there is so much of luggage that we're taking the service lift.
I think last 1 month we cannot travel around.
God. No, don't pull it. Don't. She's surrounded by toys. Naisha, don't pull anything. There's time for you. We'll get you also a toy, okay?
Wow.
Don't put it here. So that is a quick pit stop to get a gift for Anaya and Naisha. Also, we got a small toy. We are going. We got a toy for you. Okay, got a toy for you. We'll go home and play. What did we get for you? Bubbles.
Papa.
There you go. We got the gift.
तुम्हारे लिए भी है something.
We have something for you also. Oh my God! It was very difficult controlling her. She was going mad looking at all those toys. She doesn't want anything. She just wants to play with them and keep it back. Okay, enter the dragon. Enter Malkajgiri. We just entered Malkajgiri.
तो ऐसे बोल जैसे हम कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
No, seriously, I don't know why. This time I miss my home a lot. Not just home, the entire Malkajgiri. Yeah. बहुत हो गया class. We need mass now.
Mask है, mask. Oh, come on.
Actually, Pooja is not showing it much, but she's also excited, right?
Yeah, because even I'm from Sikandrabad, right?
Yeah.
We grew up here. So obviously थोड़ा nostalgia तो रहता.
And the place where we got gifts for Naisha right now and Anaya
It's also
is exactly her old house.
It's exactly my old house. So when I stopped there,
Where
I was
she
like,
grew
oh
up.
God.
Right now, just when we entered Malkajgiri, Pooja is like, Naisha, see Malkajgiri ka moon, Malkajgiri ka cars.
Time pass करी so that she doesn't throw up.
At least last 1.5 hours she didn't throw up.
मत बोल.
Whenever I say this, things
मत
change.
बोल. Whenever
Let's
you
not
say
jinx
this,
it. Another 2-3 minutes we are reaching.
Yeah. ये बड़ा हो गया क्या? है ना? भैरवा मस्त.
I still don't want to say anything till we reach inside the gate.
Here, come.
Anaya, we just saw her dad and Anaya went out. Once I reach the gate, I'll say, successfully we reached without Naisha puking. Where did we come?
Tata mom.
Tata mom. It seems.
Tata and mom. Because Pooja calls my mom. She learned that. Tata mom.
Yeah. Actually, shouldn't say mom, but मेरी वजह से she says. It's easier for her also.
Okay, now I can say successfully reached Malkajgiri home without Naisha puking. Wow, I feel so nostalgic. I'm acting as if I've come after like years. More than I miss my house, I also miss one more thing. My bikes. We'll talk about this in the next vlog. Now, Naisha is gonna meet my sister for the first time. Okay, wait.
अब वो गए हुए?
No, mom, I got it just now. I got a gift for. I genuinely got for her because let them pay. What will they do?
जिजमा बदले मिले. जिजमा मिले
See, who is coming? See. Who is that?
Arey.
Hey, pa.
Hello, how are you? Good. Good, thanks.
Hey, atta.
Time is good.
Okay. Amo ek
She'll be fine. Sometime.
Hey, what's up?
Nice.
Naisha, you know, no? Atta.
కొంచెం టైం
Hi. What did you get? Hi there. How are you?
Okay, here's the reaction. See, who is that? Naisha? See. Wow.
Nice to Akka. Look at the looks. Oh my God. Why are you scanning her? Yeah? Why are you scanning her? तुम ना.
మామ చూడు అక్క తుక్కక్క తుక్కక్క
Hi, Mammo. How are you?
ఇక్కడ బాపు పాప అంటాం ఇది పడిపోతుంది పట్టుకో ఇది ఎవరు
Listen, listen, it's yours only. Relax.
Okay, it's yours.
Touching, but wait. Wow! Nice! That's nice!
ఇక ఇంకో Look here.
So cute. It's
Take అని చెప్పు Take.
Naisha, you want tutu?
Storage, huh?
What do you want to do with something?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so sweet. Big sister being cute.
No, no.
Nice. Oh, so cute. So cute. So cute. Nice. Nice and nice.
See, people became busy with second generation kids. Main kid को भूल गया. See, इनका participate level. Now time to get some gifts. Second generation, that's what I'm saying inside. Generation kids को full
Just
entertain
toys.
कर रहे. मेरे बड़ा kid को सबको कोई भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहे.
पूरा मैं जब से मिली हुई तेरे को entertain कर रही हूँ.
कोई हेलो हाय कुछ नहीं बोला.
You're welcome. That's okay. This also I don't know. I just got it. I hate to only for the bacha party today. By the way, I swear I told Shriman.
This for me.
Yeah, you can write groceries.
Hey, actually, yeah, this is a gift for you. Thank you for the Bose soundbar.
Excuse me.
Return gift is this.
Your gift. Hey, Momo.
Nice to see this.
She like dog more. Kitten and puppy. Aisha, what happened?